we're whipping up a flavor-packed teriyaki chicken stir fry that's going to knock your socks off. In a medium bowl, whisk together our sauce ingredients: chicken stock, mirin, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, grated fresh ginger, minced garlic, and corn flour. And that's the secret sauce right there. Now let's tackle that chicken. Cut the chicken breasts into 1-inch pieces. Season them up with a sprinkle of garlic powder and pepper. Then coat them all over with corn flour. Heat up some olive oil in a wok or a deep frying pan over a medium-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, toss in your chicken pieces, shaking off any excess corn flour, and let them sizzle away for around 4 minutes on one side. Flip them over and let them cook for around 3 to 4 minutes on the other side until they're beautifully browned and cooked through. Transfer the chicken to a plate and set to one side. Now let's add in those sliced onions and let them cook for about a minute until they're nice and fragrant. Then toss in the broccoli and bell peppers and let them dance around the pan for about 3 minutes until they're tender crisp. It's time to reunite our chicken with our veggies. Pop that cooked chicken back into the pan and pour in our glorious sauce. Give everything a good stir and let it bubble up for about a minute until the sauce thickens and coats everything evenly. And there you have it, our delicious teriyaki chicken stir fry. Serve it up and get ready to dig in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.